So if you can, just slow it down. We've got some fire trucks going down the runway to follow this emergency. We should have plenty of room.
Traffic.
Okay, we'll slow down and be ready if you need anything. 5 more minutes.
0 miles.
Hey, Becky, you want me to head over to the Bravo here, or where do you want me to go?
Yeah, just go on to parking. The fire truck's right behind you. He'll follow you, and it's just paperwork. But you checked in so calm.
I'll tell you what, I didn't even see that one coming. Usually I see them, kind